Have you ever wondered how to gather precise hardware information on CentOS 9?
Yes, I have. It can be challenging to get accurate information without the right tools and commands.
Exactly. That's why it's essential to know essential commands like lscpu, hwinfo, lshw, dmidecode, and lsci.
Those commands are great for getting insights into your system's architecture, CPU details, memory, disk, USB controllers, network adapters, and more.
That's right. But there are also other commands like lsusb, lsci, lsblk, df, disk, mount, free, and dmidecode that are equally important.
Those commands are great for delving into USB buses, SCSI devices, block devices, disk space, partitions, and BIOS details.
And let's not forget about the /proc files. They are a goldmine of information on your system.
Absolutely. But managing Linux kernel modules is also essential. Commands like depmod, lsmod, modinfo, modprobe, and rmmod can help you do that.
With these commands and tools, you can elevate your hardware knowledge and empower your CentOS 9 system administration skills.
It's amazing how much you can learn about your system with the right commands and tools.